Hello. Today we're going to go over the human circulatory system. There are three main pieces of the system that we will focus on. The heart, which acts as a pump for the blood in the body. The pressure and resistance are regulated here so that it has the strength to reach the whole body, but not too much power when it's headed for the lungs. The lungs, which are responsible for releasing carbon dioxide and taking in oxygen. These are transported in and out of the capillaries. And finally, the blood vessels, or the tubes that transport blood all around the body. First, let's go over the three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins, and capillaries. Arteries transport blood away from the heart. Veins transport blood to the heart. Capillaries are always in between arteries and veins, where they exchange oxygen for carbon dioxide. While veins and arteries are larger in size and have more tissue, capillaries are thin and branch in many different directions to cover as much surface area as possible. There are two halves of the system that we will be talking about. First, the pulmonary circulation, and second, the systematic circulation. Pulmonary circulation deals with blood traveling between the heart and the lungs. Systematic circulation deals with blood traveling between the heart and the tissues of the body. So, let's take a journey with a blood cell, starting within the capillaries of the lungs. When we breathe in, the blood cells within the lungs have oxygen molecules attached to them that need to be distributed to different parts of the body. This process occurs in the capillaries surrounding the lungs. The blood then flows to the heart through the pulmonary vein. The heart then acts as a pump to give the blood enough pressure to travel through the systematic arteries, or the aorta, to the whole body. This includes muscles, tissues, and organs such as the liver, kidneys, and the brain. At these sites within the body, blood cells leave behind oxygen and collect carbon dioxide by diffusion through the capillaries. The blood then flows through the systematic veins, or the vena cava, back to the heart. The heart will then pump the blood back to the lungs by the pulmonary arteries. Once it reaches the capillaries of the lungs again, it will release carbon dioxide with a breath out and reabsorb new oxygen with a clean breath in. The final question you may be asking is, if the heart is doing all this work, doesn't it need oxygen too? The answer is yes. This happens through the coronary arteries, which branch off from the aorta to deliver oxygen to the heart. Carbon dioxide from the heart is returned back to the lungs via the coronary veins. Next time, we'll look at the flow of the blood through the heart and its valves. Thanks for watching.